AI code generation tools are changing everything you thought you knew about software development. Welcome to This Explainer, where we're diving deep into the massive shift that is completely rewiring the tech industry. Code is no longer written, it's generated. We've officially entered the era of what people are calling vibe coding. Think of it as a massive paradigm shift. Instead of painstakingly typing out syntax line by single line, you just use everyday natural language. You literally just tell the AI what you want, and it builds the software for you. Section 1. Beyond simple autocomplete, what led to this moment? To really grasp why this matters, we have to look back at how we got here. We've moved so far beyond that basic line-by-line autocomplete we used to rely on. Today's tools, they are full-on autonomous systems. We're talking about AI that can write multi-file features, draft entire test suites from scratch, and even explain completely tangled legacy modules, entirely on their own. Section 2. Meet your AI co-builder, the 2026 landscape. Right now, the industry is seeing this absolute explosion of platforms that act as true co-builders. These aren't just polite little assistants anymore. They drastically reduce your bottlenecks by instantly prototyping features, generating incredibly clean interfaces, debugging those really stubborn issues, and even spinning up entirely standalone products. You're no longer just a coder, you're basically the director of the project. The definitive ranking for 2026 shows a frankly overwhelming roster of innovation. You've got powerhouses like Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Windsurf, Claude Code, and V0 completely dominating the market right now. And they're sitting right alongside brilliant platforms like Atoms, Replit, Bolt.new, Lovable, and Codex by OpenAI. Section 3. Real-world code generation. How it actually works. Okay, let's ground all this hype in some reality. Let's look at a real-world example, like Clouderary's AI code generator. It seamlessly supports multiple programming languages, and it effortlessly handles a massive range of tasks. It can go from reading CSV files in Python, straight to creating fully responsive HTML landing pages, all the way to building really complex Python Flask APIs. And it does all of this just from simple text prompts. Now, the business and technical implications of this kind of speed are staggering. To put it in perspective, McKinsey reported a 46% reduction in the time developers spend on routine coding tasks. I mean, think about that. That's almost half your day back. It is a massive, massive leap in enterprise productivity. Section 4. The Human Review Imperative, the Industry Counterpoint. But hold on a second, before you go and fire your entire engineering team, we have to address the very real industry pushback regarding security and hallucinated logic. Trusting AI blindly, that is incredibly dangerous. In fact, there is a jarring 23% increase in bug density when AI-generated code goes unreviewed by a human. So yes, the AI is fast, but it absolutely requires senior engineering oversight. It's a co-builder, not a replacement. Section 5, the future of software. What happens next? So, looking ahead, what's the ultimate takeaway for anyone working in tech right now? Well, it's pretty simple. AI is not going to replace developers, but developers who embrace AI as their co-builder, they are absolutely going to replace the ones who refuse to adapt and avoid using it. It really comes down to this. Vibe coding isn't just a fleeting trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we work. It's about skipping the boring boilerplate stuff, thinking in much higher level abstractions, and co-creating with your tools. So now that code is no longer manually written but generated, are you ready to stop acting like a typist and start leading as a software architect?